Hi everyone. After long days, I'm back. I'm back to this YouTube channel. So on this occasion, I would like to share a new thing to you guys. So I'm going to launch a new course that is quantum computing. So which may be helpful for your career, for your academic, and for your research. So in this regard, I would like to share this great news for you. So from the next video onwards, I am going to launch this quantum computing course. So every day I am going to upload the videos on this quantum computing. So who are eligible to learn this course? Students, it means beginners. Even a beginners can learn the course. Professionals, working professionals, intermediate, and experts. Anyone can view this course and learn this course. So in this course, what I'm going to upload means I'm going to teach introduction to quantum computing, like what is quantum computing, classical versus quantum computing, why quantum computing, qubits versus classical bits, quantum advantage and quantum supremacy, then applications of the quantum computing and current limitations of the quantum computers. And in the next module, we are going to discuss the mathematical foundations. Then in the next module, we are going to discuss the qubits and quantum states. Then followed by we are going to learn the quantum gates, and then followed by we are going to learn the quantum measurement, and then we are going to learn these quantum circuits and multiple qubits, and followed by we are going to learn this quantum phenomena and quantum programming with Quiz. So these are the topics that I am going to cover in this course. I hope you people everyone understood and get ready for this. And when I upload this course in the YouTube channel, you go through it, you watch it, and you can learn. So whatever I teach here, so I am going from basics to advanced. So you don't need whether you are an intermediate or whether you are an expert or whether you are a working professional, it doesn't matter. You can learn everything from scratch, even if you are a computer science student or a non-computer science student. So whoever it may be, anyone can learn this course and anyone can grab it. So because there are a lot of opportunities that are going to be available for the next few years. So those who learn this quantum, really they are going to get a huge amount of hike, and also they are going to get a good jobs in the future. So this quantum is the future technology, and you learn this quantum and get the good paid jobs. So this is what I want to share. And also please support my channel to grow, and also please share my channel to your friends also, so that it may help your friends to learn all these things. So from now onwards, I am going to upload all the videos, and I am going to make the videos on quantum computing. And if you are having any queries, please comment on your comment section and let me know your doubts and any other things. Then I will, after seeing your comment, I am going to reply you. So this is what I want to share. And this is our channel. So please subscribe to our channel, like it, um, share it and subscribe it, so that you will get daily updates regarding this quantum, not only a quantum, but in further we are going to make a lot of courses on quantum physics and others also. So this is what I want to say. So I hope it is clear to you. So we will see you on the next video. Thank you.